For 60 years, ConMet has driven innovation in the commercial vehicle industry, advancing safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Today, we're focused on solving tomorrow's challenges, reducing emissions, adopting renewable energy, and creating lightweight, efficient products. Through continuous improvement, we're helping OEMs and fleets achieve their goals and drive the future of transportation.
And then the last 10, 15 years has had exponential growth in transforming our business from really a manufacturing of high quality product applications for the trucking industry to now engineered technologies, service provider. We've expanded the portfolio of the product.
Our core is really our three main businesses: wheel ends, castings, and plastics. Those are what drive ConMet's business. You can't build trucks without the stuff we're making in all three of those core segments. And they're so important to what we do that we have to protect them as part of our business. We talk about growth, we talk about innovation, but if we don't protect those core segments, we don't have a business.
Those new markets, those new businesses that we are now entering continue to change the identity of ConMet, and our customers now see us as a technology partner and a leader in innovation. So we are not just a hub company anymore.
Providing our customers, which at ConMet can be OEMs, but can also be fleets, with solutions that help them in the day-to-day is really important. And it's natural that we're always doing innovation to try to find out how that we can provide better solutions, more efficient solutions, and less costly solutions, while always maintaining a high level of quality of what we're providing.
In 2016, ConMet expanded its aftermarket operations with a Charlotte distribution warehouse established to support the growing wheel end aftermarket business with dedicated focus and resources. In 2018, ConMet opened the Monroe facility, designed to house the latest technology in machining and assembly for our aluminum hubs. These facilities were just the start. ConMet continues to innovate, solving the toughest challenges in the commercial vehicle industry.
You start from building basically a component, an electric motor inside a wheel, and you try to understand, what am I going to do with this? And then you find yourself having to develop a whole system, because that's the only way you can show how your innovation is going to work.
In 2020, ConMet launched the Preset Plus eHub, marking the start of ConMet e-mobility. As we push the boundaries of innovation with new technologies, we stay grounded in the same core principles that drive our business forward.
And then we're doing things to help vehicle efficiency. So how do we save fuel? How do we make the vehicles that are using our products more efficient?
And that's just the beginning. At ConMet, innovation knows no bounds.
We take advantage of an age-old problem in trucking, which is that you have to have a gap between the tractor and the trailer to allow you to turn, but you don't need that gap at highway speeds. And so what we do is we have the truck wings, which fold out to close that tractor-trailer gap when you go at high speeds and fold back in when you go at low speeds. And what that does is it gives you all the aero benefits when you want them with all the maneuverability at low speeds.
In 2023, ConMet acquired Truck Labs, the maker of truck wings, an innovative solution helping fleets improve fuel economy and achieve their sustainability goals.
When we think about our sustainability and the impact that we can make, not only in the commercial vehicle industry, but in the world, our carbon footprint is by far the number one area for us to focus on.
We're doing a ton of things. I mean, some of it is on the product side. We're looking at green materials, 100% recycled aluminum.
Throughout both our die casting operations and our permanent mold casting operations are 100% recycled in-house. When we machine a hub, when we machine a casting, we take those chips, we reprocess them, we put them right back in the furnace, remelt them, and make a new part. The number one component for iron hubs and drums and rotors is scrap steel.
There are advancements in plastics and how they're made, new cutting edge technology where we're actually working with a supplier who takes organic matter out of landfill. So they take those, they process them, combine them with other additives to get the right chemistry, and we're taking waste and turning it into plastic.
How do we use different materials from different locations that are using more sustainable power, whether it's nuclear or wind?
A majority of our electricity in Mexico will be renewable. In China, all of our electricity will be either solar or nuclear.
At ConMet, our commitment to sustainability goes beyond our products. It's about fostering an innovative and thriving work environment for our employees.
As we look to the future and a lot of emphasis on the product itself and the innovation of the product, material selections, carbon reduction, etc., there's also a big focus on our manufacturing environments. Make it a better workplace, make our factories places where people love coming to work.
The safety program, which I'm really proud of, we have best-in-class safety at all of our locations. We have a lot of locations with 0 injuries for the year, and to me that's speaks volumes to our culture, and we want to take care of people. We want to send them home in the exact same shape that they came to work in our plants.
We dedicate significant time to evaluating emerging technologies and workforce dynamics to determine how best to enhance our operations through automation. By integrating collaborative robots, automated guided vehicles, and other advanced solutions, we aim to optimize the balance between human labor and automation.
We're not just innovating in automation, we're growing globally. In 2023, ConMet expanded its reach, acquiring Saeta Group's e-mobility engineering branch in the Netherlands and establishing a European headquarters in Stuttgart, Germany.
Many of our global customers have headquarters in Europe. We are committed to aligning with our customers' global requirements, no matter where they are. It's very important that ConMet has a presence in Europe to ensure that our products, starting with wheel ends, are the products that will be on trucks in the future, both here in North America and globally around the world.
There's so many markets still out there for us in this core space. We've talked a lot about Europe, Asia, South America. There's lots of places that still need all those things that at some point when they're ready for products like ours, we're also going to be there for them to be able to solve those problems as well.
I would say the breadth of the products that we support has grown over the years. But in terms of the growth that we've seen, I would say our customer base has grown. So there's more opportunities to get in and solve problems with different customers, from different truck OEMs to now different trailer OEMs to our aftermarket distribution partners.
There's nothing that tells me, at least in my lifetime, that the vehicles aren't going to need structural components. They're not going to need wheel ends. They're going to need all those things. They're going to have the core products that we still make. And so the future for us is making sure we stay on top of what the customers need to do that.
Every time you see a truck go down the road, you can take pride in the fact that, you were part of that. I think we need to embrace challenges. The world's going to succeed in the future by the people that do that, stepping outside that comfort zone. And that's what we're going to have to do, because the future of ConMet is going to be some areas that we're very well known, but there's going to be other areas which is going to require us to step outside of our comfort zone, and we would be well advised to be proactive and be ahead of it.
As we close our 60-year celebration, we honor the people whose passion, ingenuity, and dedication have shaped ConMet's journey. Our employees, customers, and partners drive the innovation that moves us forward, turning challenges into opportunities and ideas into solutions.
And if you get in there with a good attitude and work hard, you're gonna reap the rewards. Somewhere along the line, there will be some opportunities for you.
There's always somebody that's working very hard to provide a better product at a lower price and is looking for your market share. So if you ever get complacent, just remember that there's a lot of people doing things that are trying to take business away from your company.
The minute you think you're comfortable and you're doing good, you better look around. So we didn't really stand still.
Treat everybody with respect, hire good people, and never lose sight of the fact that the customer buys products that they need, should have a laser focus on what those requirements are.
Frankly, after retirement, I had no idea that this company would be as big as it is now. I'm really proud of ConMet and the people. It's amazing. I am so impressed what you guys are doing with the company.
ConMet's mission is driven by passion and dedication to improve lives and empower our customers through innovative solutions. As we look ahead, we remain committed to shaping the future of commercial transportation, paving new paths for OEMs, fleets, and the industry as a whole. Together, we're not just shaping the future, we're driving it forward.